Hey y'all, it's me, your favorite light-skinned girl, Breezy, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna do a little chit-chat while I do my face. Just cause for one, I'm bored. Two, I haven't did a skincare routine in a little minute and it changed up multiple times. And I just feel like talking to y'all because I don't have a lot else to talk to because everybody else is busy apparently. But yeah, let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell right there. Ding. So let's get into the video. Alright, so how y'all doing today? It's kind of late. My shirt wet because I was wiping it off because it was dirty and I ain't what y'all talking about me and stuff like that. But y'all, so I was on the phone with my sister and we was having a little conversation, you know, about dating versus relationship. Like, what do y'all consider dating and what do y'all call a relationship? Or do y'all like, is it the same thing to y'all? Because me personally, I feel like dating is like you getting to know that person and that person is getting to know you. Y'all going out, y'all spending time together, y'all like joking each other. Y'all ain't like meeting each other families and stuff. I mean, y'all can meet each other friends every now and then. But like, see, family, that's something different. That's on a different level. That mean like, oh, you ready to be serious, huh? That's when but and also dating don't mean you. I feel like dating don't mean that you lock down to that person. Like, you can date other people, like. And it's none of their business who you dating and who you talking to.
Period! 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 Period!
That's your business. You feel me? And if they don't like it, guess what? There's the door.
Knock knock! Who's that? Shut door!
Yeah, girl. People got life and opportunities messed up. To cleanse my face, I like to use the Purity face cleanser from where I got it from. I got this from Ulta. It's kind of on the expensive side. I forgot how much it is. I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna put it right here. But it was so good. Like, I used to use my CeraVe. Is it CeraVe? I used to, and I still have it. I used to use my CeraVe, but once I went to this, yes, love. It was good. My face was glowing. I was like, you know how you glowing like when you about to have a baby and you really happy? Or like when you really met somebody, you really happy? That's how my face is with. I like to wet my hands, make sure my hands are wet, and then I like to scrub it in. What else I wanted to bring up? Let me vent to y'all. Can I vent to y'all for a little minute? Even though like a little rant, I don't know, rant, whatever, baby. It is. I'm always doing it, but like it's okay because I feel like y'all understand me sometimes. I've been on YouTube and I've been on social media for a long time, and it's like I know everybody's going to like have their moment, and it's not gonna. It may not be when you want it, but it's gonna come. It's gonna come, and it's just like I'm gonna be real with you. I be seeing other quadriplegics like me, like they booming. They booming. And I ain't gonna say I'm not booming. It's just I'm not where I'm at where I thought I would be at. You feel me? Like right now, I thought I would be like traveling, and when I say traveling, I meant like, you know, collabing with people, or not even collabing with people, just going to a different state and vlogging out there, like trying out new things, and then end up meeting other people. That's vloggers. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit while I talk to y'all. But like, yeah, I don't know, like I really look up to, like, you know, a lot of people like me that's disabled and, you know, have the same injury as me. Like my girl Steph, her right here, I love her. Like she's a makeup influencer just like me. We have the same injury, and she's really doing good for herself. Like she getting big brand deals. Like I'm so proud of her. Like she got like Fenty Beauty had reached out to her and wanted to work with her. And like that's the type of stuff that I want. And I mean, little businesses, they like want me to be their brand ambassador, but as far as getting paid for them, like, yes, that's when I feel like I'm growing. I'm doing something. I mean, I know I'm doing something right now. It's just I'm not where I thought I would be. But you know, everybody, like, I feel like my day gonna come. I'm just ranting. Don't get me wrong. Like, I don't think that, you know, oh, I'm never gonna get to where I wanna be. I know. It's just I would have thought that I would have gotten where I wanted to be, where I'm at right now. If y'all feel what I'm saying. But I feel like, to me, that just shows you that I need to grind a little more harder, and I need to be consistent a little more, just a little more, you know. And I need to start planning out what I want and stuff, because I know big things are coming. Like, I know it. I have a deep feeling, like, you know. Hold on. Let me tell y'all about my dream. My dream is to like be a big influencer. I want everybody to know me on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. You name it, they be like, oh, that's Breezy. That's Breezy right there. That's Breezy the F baby. Like, yeah, I wanna like travel to, like, say let me see, I'm playing. Say MAC Cosmetics want me to like be their speaker. I even want to do speaking, and like, cause I used to be shy, but now I'm not shy. Like, I really want to be it. And like, yes, I want to do that. I want to travel state to state. I want to like, just to like, even to vlog, end up meeting people. With all that, I don't want to end up always living, I don't want to live in New Orleans all the rest of my life. I will either go to Texas. That's makeup from yesterday. I'm going to Texas or Atlanta. I really want to go to California. But yeah, I want to be the person that, you know, help out my family or put my family on. Not cocky like, but you know what I mean. Alright, I cleansed my face. Now I'm about to use the witch hazel. This helps you take all the extra dirt off your face and makeup. Cause my face ain't dirty. It's just a lot of makeup on it. Thank you. And I'm gonna take these round cotton swabs. Come on. These round cotton swabs. And I usually use 2 because my face don't be really that dirty. But yeah, y'all let me know what type of videos y'all want to see, or what type of videos y'all look on when y'all like go on YouTube, and I'll do those videos. I'm trying my hardest to be consistent on here, on YouTube, and on Instagram, on all my social medias. It's hard. I get why they say I get why they say start off on one social media platform and start off like where you start, like where you most get your followers from. Cause right now what I'm doing, I'm posting on every social media I can think of all at once. And when I tell you it's hard, it is. The only hard thing is the engagement, to be honest. The engagement. Cause it's like a lot of people, they like to just look at your stuff. They don't really want to engage. You feel me? Especially on Instagram. Like I be trying to engage with my followers sometimes, and they're like, girl, I don't feel like typing them. I just want to click. But it be okay because I be the same way. So make sure y'all get y'all neck too, cause y'all neck be dirty. See how y'all neck be dirty? That's all makeup. I like to use the CeraVe moisturizer. And when I tell you this moisturizer, you only need a little bit, honey. You only need a little bit. I just do like 2 dots. I used to do like 4 dots. No, you'll be wiping for days. But this moisturizer right here is good. This moisturizer is good. Ooh, I did too much. See, this is how much you just need. You don't even need that much. Especially when you're about to put other stuff on your face. I think I'm gonna stop now. Let's just do our face and stuff. Alright, so the last product of the day is, alright, here we go. This is a serum right here that I'm going to use. It's like the Riental serum. And this serum right here works wonderful. I told you that the CeraVe facial cleanser have your face glowing. When you want an extra glow, like jump out the water glow, this serum right here is it, baby. And guess how much it was? $1. Wait, was it $1 or was it $5? It was one of them two. I got it from Family Dollar. And I was like, I ain't gonna put that Dollar Tree, I ain't gonna put that Family Dollar stuff on my face. But you know what? A girl is on a budget, so let me try it out. And I tried it out and I was like, okay. So shout out to them. And you only need a little bit. But knowing me, I'll put extra. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna start grinding. And if anyone's in New Orleans or somewhere in Louisiana and y'all wanna collab with me, let me know. And if you have a makeup brand, a skincare line, you know, and you want to send me your products, and I don't mind promoting them. Just shoot me a DM in my Instagram and we can talk. or if you have any if you have a clothing line, I would promote it, because baby, this bonnet right here is from Pretty Bonnet. So y'all make sure y'all get it. It's the school one. I usually have my black one on, but I can't find it. I low-key think my sister took it, but we ain't gonna talk about it. But I just wanted to show y'all my skincare routine, and look at my face. All right, that was the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yes, it was short. It's a skincare routine. Like, all you need is, really you only need 2 products, but I probably just be extra. But that extra pays off, dude. Okay, so y'all don't make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see on my journey to, you know, success. Yeah, we going to get to 1K. I believe it. I'm gonna manifest it, and yes. All right, I'm out. Be breezy. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady.